Yo, baza! So I'm just playing around with this Canon Powershot V1, right? A lot of people have problem with the ND filter not being strong enough. So I figured I just play around with the settings and all that. And I did find something that will help. So right now I'm at CLOG 3 F4 1/50 1/50th of a shutter and ISO 100. And I also tried the CLOG 3's native ISO, which is 800, so which is kind of overexposed. So and it showed in the meter that I'm overexposed by 3 stops in this bright sunny day. And then in post I tried pulling down the exposure by 3 stops, and it turned out to be quite okay. So right now we are overexposed by 3 stops. So we'll see how this looks like. Very nice. Yeah, the ND filter, 3 stops ND filter for this is usable if you know what you're doing. And also I got nothing much to do around this place, so I just play around with the camera, and yeah, that's what I found out. Since I'm new to Canon Powershot V1 is awesome, man. I don't know why so many people hate on this camera. Wait, let me f2.8 this, so there's bokeh behind me and all the footage. Yeah, I'm still learning the CLOG 3's color and all that jazz. So that's what I fidget around today with this camera, and I like it. I like color grading, so I fidget here, I fidget there, try these settings, try that settings. I'm still looking at the screen. The lens is here. Wait, let me close. Yeah, so yeah, now I'm looking at the what do you call this, the lens. I'm so used at looking at the screen like that. My eyes is like that. So now my eyes is like this. I will shoot like this. I trust the autofocus of this camera. So yeah, that's what I found out today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. We are still ISO 100 CLOG 3. I don't know if this is good. The dynamic range, whatever, my friend, whatever.